Speaking Academy. Today let's have a speaking practice using greetings and expressions. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Hello. Hello. Hi there. Hi there. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Welcome. Welcome. Please come in. Please come in. See you later. See you later. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care. Take care. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's okay. That's okay. No problem. No problem. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Joey. My name is Joey. How old are you? How old are you? I am 8 years old. I am 8 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from United States. I am from United States. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thanks for listening.